Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials on Microsoft PowerPoint. Today we want to talk on how to insert objects in your PowerPoint. As you can see on the screen, you have a blank slide. Is blank. Here is blank. So we want to first of all insert the slide. So what do we do? How to insert a new slide? You go to the slide group, you click on the new slide, you click on it. Now you have the slide. Okay, so now because we want to insert object, I would prefer you choose a slide that has such option. So what you do is you come to this point, you click on it, you right click, you go to layout, then you select the layout that has title and content. You click on it. That is it. Now the essence of this particular type of layout is because it will enable us to discuss more on the issue we are trying to deal with today, which is inserting objects in your slide. So as you can see in this layout, you have the insert table, you have the insert chart, insert smart art graphics, insert media clip, clip art, and picture from file. So that is the essence of this slide. So now is either you click on any of these, or you go to the ribbon and make your selection. So we want to insert table. Now is either I click on this. As you can see, that's shown me number of columns, number of rows. If I click, that is number of columns is 5, number of rows 2. If I click OK, that's what I want. I click OK. You can see now you have what have been selected. So now let me show you another option. Let me delete this. Another option is on how to insert table is to go to the insert tab, click on the insert tab, then you go to tables, the group, tables group, you click on the table. So the more you navigate, the direction you navigate indicates your rows and column. Okay, so whatever rows and column I want, you understand, I can select it from this point. So for instance, I want 8 by 6 table. I click it. So this is it, 8 by 6 table. Okay, so that is how to insert the table. Okay, the second way of inserting table in the slide. Now as you can see, you see the design. It has automatically taken us to the design where we can adjust anything we want in this table. For instance, I want to type on this cell. Can you see my text is white in color, but I want to make it black. So what do I do? I go to the word art styles. I click on the first option, which deals with theme colors. So I select the black, then I come here, I type. Are you seeing? So that is how to go about your table. Now we're done with this. Let's look at how to insert graph or chart. Like I said earlier, you have two ways to do it. Either I click on this insert chart, or I go to the insert tab. Either ways will work. Okay, but the essence of this insert chart is that it enables you to show the picture of your statistics in a graphical representation. Okay, so now the system on its own has generated its own graph, of which most times it might not be useful for the project you have at hand. So what do? You make sure that your project or the graph you've plotted is already set. So what you do is you copy and you come and paste it here. For instance, now this is my, let me go to the Excel. I have an Excel work. This is a simple statistical data, and this is the graph. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to copy this graph. I click on it, I right click on the and copy. I come to the PowerPoint and click on the slide, right click, click on the paste. Are you seeing? Can you see? So I've inserted my graph, my own statistical analysis. That is what I have inserted. So this is the easiest way of inserting graph in your PowerPoint. So you can adjust or you can edit some of the write-ups. You can adjust. You click on these values. When you click on it, you go to the font. You can change the font to 20. It's now big and bold. You come to this other one, you click on it, you choose, let's also use 20, so you can see now your graphical representation is okay. So we're done with this other aspect. Okay, now let's look at the other option, which is to insert picture from file. We can either do that from this point, or we still go to the insert. Either ways works. So the essence of it is that whatever image or picture that is inside your computer will be uploaded directly to your slide. Let's click on this. Okay, you can see this image. Let me click on this and click on insert. Are you seeing? I can have multiple pictures also, as this one is. If I want to have another picture or another image, I go to the insert, I come to the picture also, I select this and insert, and I bring it out from the previous one. Okay, are you seeing? So whatever formatting I need to do on this picture, I can come to this point and choose anything I want. I can also choose this, I can choose this, I can choose this. So whatever format I want for this picture, I can make the selection from this groups, either the picture styles, the adjust has to do with the contrast, the brightness, and the color. Okay, so anything I want to do, I can select it from this point. So we've inserted some objects, the table, the chart, and picture, the same way you did in all these ones. That's the same thing you do for the clip art, the insert media clip, and insert smart art graphics. So I want you to try this on your own. It's very easy and simple. Just try this on your own. And the importance of all these things is that you may have a presentation to make, okay, and some of these pictures, tables, charts becomes very vital to portray what you're trying to communicate. Okay, so I want you to take this tutorials very serious, practice on your own, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem, you can contact me on my phone number that has been displayed in this video. Also, like other videos of mine that can be of benefit to you. I remain Daniel Obenyi. Bye for now.